Hello and welcome back to another tutorial for Place My App. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to change your menu items real fast. We're going to go to Home because it has this template here. And the template, if you scroll down, has MIGX PMA. You'll come down here, click that, and then here are the menu items on the front of your page. Let me show you the front. Put this in mobile view. There we are. So what you have here is what's back here. So to change that, you would right click, edit, and then change things as you would need. So that's how you do that. Now, a little bit more of an explanation, if you need some more explanation, would be that, so let's say you wanted your loan application further down here. All you have to do is left click and drag, and it will move just that easy. After you get done, don't forget to hit the save button. For any changes that you make, please always hit that save button. Let's put this back up at the top here. So now let's explore a few more things. So we have edit, which if you look, link text. I have a small explanation here. This is what your borrowers will see. Free credit report. Okay. Free credit report. So that's that text there. And then you would put the link, including the HTTPS, which I also have here in the notes. And you'll copy and paste whatever link you want to have there here in this input field. You would then click done, and don't forget to click save. If you have something that you like, just for example, this one, free credit report, you can click duplicate, and it'll go ahead and duplicate everything else and put it at the bottom down here. You'll see that it's not saved because it'll have these little red marks here. Now, let's click save. And let's just say we don't want this. Oops, we didn't need that. We can go down here and right-click, remove. Don't forget to save. And now that link is gone. You can quickly tell links to go to the top or to the bottom by right-clicking and then selecting the appropriate option. So that is how you're going to update your menu here and update the links. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.